Okay, welcome back to series of VB.NET console programming. So far you've seen set of system to write console programming as well as how to set up the console programming are efficient for code writing. Now in this video lecture we are going to talk about function. And the previous video I already discussed the procedure. So procedures is a block of statement which perform a specific task, and the VB.NET procedures are divided into two parts. One is sub procedure and second is the function. Sub procedures is a procedures does not return a value, and I already write procedures with argument, without argument. So in this video lecture I will discuss about function. So as I have said, function is a procedure which return a value. So we can create a function using function keyword. So function keyword are used to create function in the VB.NET. So we have to write the function name is add, okay, as the return type is a integer, dim x comma y comma z as integer. First of all we have to declare the data type. Thereafter we have to write x equal to 10, y equal to 20. We have declared the value of x and y. Thereafter z equal to x plus y, then return z. With argument, without argument means it is an empty, so there is no argument here. So function without argument, and in this function is going to return a value. The value is a integer type. So int with the function is a end function are used, or return type is a integer because the already right here function add as return, so value will be returned is a integer type. It is compulsory to write return statement in the function. So the value returned by a value return are used to call this function. So we can write here dim x as integer, thereafter x equal to add, then console, then console dot write line x. Okay, we have to find the output of the sum of x and y. So we have to write the statement of add equal to, that means value of x. So console dot read line are used to hold the screen. Suppose we have to execute the program, then screen will be held. Okay, execute the program and find yes, add equal to 30, there is no problem. So next here the return the value. Okay, then second function with argument, but here there is no return type. the function is a return a value, but the procedure does not return a value. So it's the difference between procedure and function. So we'll see the output. So it is written integer type. Okay. So in this function we can reuse. So this is what function is a without argument. And next I will discuss function with argument. Okay, then next program I will discuss function without function with argument. Okay, the next is function with argument. Then how to write the function with argument using by val. Okay, I already discussed in previous video. Procedures are used in with argument and without argument, but with argument we have to use the by val, by ref, param array. Okay, so similarly using function we have to use function with argument using by val. So write the program. Okay, function add by val x as integer, second by val y as integer as integer. Next, how to write? We have to declare by val, next dim r as integer, then r equal to x plus y, then return what? R. Next, x equal to, we have to write x1. Okay, so x1 and pass the value will be 20, 70. Okay, then find the output here, x1. Yes, is the second method of the function. First method is a without argument, we have to find the add using function, and second is the function with argument using by val. Okay, 90, because x is copied to 20 and y is copied to 70, then the output will be 20 plus 70, 90. Then third method is a function with argument using by ref keyword. Okay, that means by ref, that means reference. So using here by ref. Okay, already given the by ref, by val of optional and param array we have to use. So third method is a by ref. Okay, so by ref, here you change the keyword of by ref. Okay, same. The third method, you change the value. Okay, and again execute and find the output. Yes, 190 is a third method to find the sum. That is, first method is a with argument, without argument. Second method is a function with argument using byval. Third method is a function with argument using yref. Okay, and next method, you have to use param array and optional, and we can also solve the many problem using function. Suppose you have to find the Fibonacci series. You have to find the sum of digit using function. So in the function you can solve the many problem using with argument, without argument, with argument using byref, with argument using byval, param array. According to your choice, you can solve many problem using function. Hope so you understood the topic of function. So you watch previous video also and solve the many problem using procedure and function. Hope so you understood that topic of function. If you have any query regarding this video, please do comment. Thank you.